iPhone 12, allowing you for a new level of convenience and versatility. Really a beast from the Apple. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The iPhone 12 boasts a sleek and elegant design featuring a glass front and back with a durable aerospace grade aluminum frame. But what captures the eye is the Super Retina XDR display. With the 6.1-inch OLED panel, you are treated to vibrant colors, deep blacks and incredible contrast, making your viewing experience second to none. Under the hood, the iPhone 12 is powered by Apple's latest A14 Bionic chip. This processor is a real beast, delivering unrivaled speed and efficiency. Whether you are multitasking, gaming or editing videos, the iPhone 12 breezes through any task without breaking a sweat. One of the most significant upgrades in iPhone 12 is its 5G capabilities. Say goodbye to sluggish download speeds and buffering videos. The iPhone 12 offers lightning-fast 5G connectivity, providing you with a seamless browsing and streaming experience. When it comes to photography and videography, the iPhone 12 takes it to a whole new level. It features a dual camera system with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 12-megapixel wide lens. The night mode is now available on both the cameras, ensuring stunning low-light shots. Additionally, the Smart HDR3 enhances details and colors in your photos, resulting in professional quality images. Apple introduces MagSafe technology in iPhone 12, bringing a whole new level of convenience. The magnet array on the back of the device allows for snap-on accessories like wireless chargers, card holders and more, enhancing the overall user experience. No one likes a phone that constantly needs charging. With the iPhone 12, you get an impressive battery life. Whether you are a heavy user or just need it for your daily tasks, the iPhone 12 keeps up with you all day long. As expected from Apple, the iPhone 12 runs on the latest iOS version, ensuring regular updates and ongoing support for years to come. You will enjoy access to a vast range of apps and exclusive features that makes the iOS ecosystem stand out. Finally, the iPhone 12 is a technological marvel that lives up to the hype and delivers on its promises. From the striking design and brilliant display to the lightning-fast performance and exceptional camera capabilities, it's a device that truly redefines the smartphone experience. That concludes our today's review on the iPhone 12. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.